I prefer always to dropship with European dropshipping suppliers, but there are not a lot of big dropshipping suppliers that you can choose from, such as AliExpress with a lot of products. Luckily, we have found two European dropshipping suppliers. One is founded in the Netherlands and one is located in Spain. And we're talking, of course, about BigBuy and vidaXL. And in this video, I'm going to show you how both work, how you can import products into your WooCommerce store with them, but also what is the big difference between those two. So let's jump into this video and let's walk through it. In this video, I'm going to learn you how you can start dropshipping with WooCommerce. I will show you how to import products to your WooCommerce store, the benefits of vidaXL as a supplier, the benefits of BigBuy as a supplier, and we will have a final conclusion. At the end of this video, you know how to start your dropshipping store with WooCommerce and sell products. So let's jump right into it. Let's start with BigBuy. First of all, I already have an account, but this account is not suitable to connect with to WooCommerce. So when we go to the control panel, I can see here that I have the wholesaler pack, but I need the e-com pack to be able to import products and send orders to them. So what I need to do is I need to improve my pack. The one I need is the e-commerce pack, which is 89 euros a month. And when we click on next, they ask you to choose a marketplace or an e-commerce connection software. What I'm going to show you is with our WooCommerce plugin from woosah.com. So in this case, you don't have to click any platform here in this page because you will download the plugin from our website, and I will put the link below this video. It will also save you 149 euros single payment this time. Then we go to next. And then, of course, we need to enable PayPal to do the actual payment. So let's finish that payment. Kabam! And we have the B2B shop upgraded to an e-commerce shop. Now let's go to the control panel. And there we need to go to My Account. And over here we have synchronize with BigBuy, and there our API key will be shown. And of course I will need the API key for production. Now we have an account now which is ready to use to import products. However, if you want to see what kind of products BigBuy offers, then we can go back to BigBuy.eu. And we can go to the B2B catalog. And in that B2B catalog, they have, of course, categories which you can choose from, whatever you want to sell. So let's go to pet products and let's say dogs, for example. It will show all the products in that particular category. And you can basically see what the purchase price will be. And you can also compare it based on the EAN code, for example, what the selling price of your competitor is. The benefit of BigBuy is that they have a lot of products and they also have a lot of premium brands. So BigBuy is a really good dropshipping supplier if you want to sell high quality products. They are shipping it white label. Nobody will notice that it's coming from their website, and you can basically sell Philips or Apple even. So just walk through this B2B catalog to be sure that BigBuy is the dropshipping supplier for you. Now, later on, I will show you how to import products with BigBuy, but first let's go to vidaXL. vidaXL is dropshippingxl.com, and you can literally get started by signing up over here. You can choose the country. I will choose United Kingdom for now, and there you can say there you can register it as a business or as a private user. I will not do this, of course, because I already have an account, but important to know is that you will pay 30 euros per month to make use of their vidaXL dropshipping account. So you can subscribe here. You can add again your PayPal account. It will take them a couple of days, 2 to 3 days, to enable your account, and then you will have access to all the products, which is basically furniture, home and garden, but also kitchen tools. So it's more related to the home environment. And they have their own brands, but they also have some premium brands. So it's a very nice dropshipping supplier to start with, and you can really choose a niche from their website what would be very nice to sell. So if we take a look at their consumer website, for example, you can walk through this and you can see what kind of products you would like to sell to your customers, for example. So really nice. They have distribution centers all over the world, in Europe, outside of Europe, so shipping is done also very quick. Okay, enough talking about BigBuy and vidaXL. Let me show you how to import your products. When you are in WooCommerce and you have installed the BigBuy WooCommerce plugin from Woosa, I will put the link in the description below. Then you will have BigBuy over here. And there I can show you literally everything, but the most important part is the synchronization tab. There you can select your feed language, so in which language you would like to import products, and based on that it will show all the categories available for you. Now if you click on that particular category, you will see the sub categories, and based on that you can decide what you would like to import to your store. So if we take a look, for example, at toys and babies, and say toys and games, and let's say I only want to have toys for babies and outdoor play and board games for children, then based on that it will import the products only in these particular categories. Now the second step is to also walk through the general settings, and the most important general settings is how your sale price will be calculated. BigBuy has three prices: the RRP price, which is basically the retail recommended price; the B2B price, that's the price you pay at BigBuy to purchase it; and the BigBuy price, which is the BigBuy advisable price. If you choose the B2B price, then you can add an additional percentage. So you can say, I want to earn 50% margin and I want to add 10 euros on top of it. And you can also round up the price so that it will become a very nice amount. Once you have walked through all those steps, you can click the button Start Synchronization, and based on that, the synchronization will run. You can see it above. It will check the three categories and it will start importing the products. So that's really nice. I will let it think for now, and let's jump to vidaXL, because vidaXL has the same approach. It looks exactly the same. They also have a synchronization tab. You can select the language again. They have a bit more languages. And based on that, the categories will appear. So if we click also here on baby and toddler, and let's say again, baby toys, I want to have baby activity toys, jumpers, play mats, and I can also see the number behind it, how many products are in these particular categories. So that's really nice. And let's do potty training also, and it will have the exact same overview for calculating your sale price. However, vidaXL only has the vidaXL advice price and the B2B price, which is basically your purchase price. So that works also very straightforward, and click on Start Synchronization to start the import process. Now let's check. Also here, no products yet imported. I think this will take a while, so I'm not sure if I can show this in this particular tutorial video. Well, maybe I can, because here, total imported products in BigBuy 29. How long was I busy? It was, I think, a couple of minutes, not even. Now we can see that the products have been imported. Also, you can see that the products have been imported from BigBuy, but it misses stock and it misses price and an image. That is because the BigBuy products are in progress and they will be updated in the upcoming minutes/hours. And once they have a price, a stock and an image, they will be published and live on your website. Now when clicking on the product, we can also edit the product, so we can edit the description, the title, but please wait for that until it's fully published. Now let's check vidaXL, and also finished in a couple of minutes, and we see 11 products are imported. Here the image is already added to the product, but still the price and the stock is missing. But this is awesome. This is awesome, right guys? We're just blinking with our eyes and products are imported. And this is what we want if we start with dropshipping, that we will be like fully relaxed. That's what Woosa does. Fully relaxed, import products, build your store and start selling. Insane. Okay, this is how you import products. There will be other various videos where I explain way more in depth what these particular plugins do. For now, I think we've done enough. If we take a look at the comparison, BigBuy and vidaXL. Let me break it down for you. So, BigBuy is located in Spain. They have only a distribution center in Spain. You can choose whether or not to have 24-hour shipment, which will take approximately 1 to 2 days for them to dispatch the order and then another day to ship the order. So the minimum and basically fastest way to deliver your product is 2 to 3 business days. With vidaXL, it's the same. However, vidaXL has distribution centers all over the world, so they can sometimes ship a bit faster, mainly if they have that product in big stock and it's located nearby the location of the end customer. So that's comparable for the both of them. Now, BigBuy has a lot of premium brands: Philips, Apple, Siemens, Ray-Ban, Prada, so a lot of premium brands. However, it's a bit of old collections, so they don't have like the newest collections of Ray-Ban, for example. But still, that doesn't matter, because therefore there's less competition in those brands, and you might find some sweet spots, some niches where there's big margin to earn. While vidaXL has mainly their own brand, they're also selling that brand to consumers, and therefore it's a bit more tough to make a nice profit and margin. And it's also a bit of a competition of price. So who's the cheapest, who can ship the fast, etc. So the competition is a bit higher on vidaXL, while with BigBuy you have the option to look for nice and profitable niches. Now, from shipment point of view, I have experience with BigBuy. The handle time can sometimes be a bit of a bummer, mainly when somebody orders on Friday, then it might happen that the product will be shipped only on Tuesday and then still has like 1 day shipment time. So that's a bit of frustrating, while vidaXL doesn't have that handle time basically. From a customer support point of view, BigBuy has a chat. They will reply fast, almost 24 hours, 7 days a week. vidaXL also replies really fast and also helps you really fast. So customer support is also really nice. For me, it's more like, what do you want to sell? BigBuy is very good in premium brands, electronic goods, fashion goods like accessories, watches, sunglasses, but they also have a lot of like summer seasonal products they will purchase in high volumes. While vidaXL is more furniture, home and garden, it's basically a furniture dropshipping. So if you want to sell furniture, then vidaXL is the way to go. If you want to sell a bit more different products, they also have Lego, by the way, Lego, Playmobil, then BigBuy is the dropshipper to go with. So it's a personal preference. Conclusion, you can start easily with the Wooza plugin for dropshipping. So if you go to wooza.com and click on dropshipping, you will see vidaXL and BigBuy, and we have of course a bit more plugins. You can start your free trial period. You will pay 69 euros a month, and aside to that, you will pay the amount to vidaXL and BigBuy. It's easy, straightforward. You saw it within a couple of minutes, products in your store. It's a no-brainer. So choose whatever you like. I like both of them. If you like this video, do a comment, thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.